Good morning everyone. Hope you all are fine kids at your home. Now, yesterday as we have learned how to create the Gmail account and how to send the emails to our friends are nearby all around the world. So, now today I am going to teach you how to delete the emails and how can we restore all the deleted emails back to our inbox. Then the next will be how to close our Gmail account. So please be attentive. Let's move further. Welcome back kids. Now I am going to show you more features about Gmail. Now let me first open my Gmail account. I am going to open my personal Gmail account. Through this I can show you more things about it. So I am first, this is my home page. Here I am going to click on Gmail, and here the Gmail homepage appears. In this you can see all the Gmail account, and you can see this is the inbox. In inbox what all emails I have got received. Look, I have sent this birthday invitation I have created in the last class, right kids? Now this has been created, and I have received it. When I click on this, the same thing what I have typed is, dear friends, you all are invited to my birthday party at my place. See the invitation attached, and here is the invitation. Fine. This way we can see any of the emails we receive from any one of us. Fine. Now today I am going to tell you new more features about things. Now let me show you how to create a signature in your Gmail account. In Compose, whenever we make write some email, we need to mention the signature. Here you can see insert signature. Signature is that in that you can insert your name, the company where you are working, or for what. Suppose I being a computer teacher, fine, I will be writing my name with computer in charge and my school name. Now I am going to show you how to make a signature in this. First, we will be going on to the setting, fine. Then see all settings, click on this, scroll down. In this you can find signatures. Look, look here. You can find the signature here. Fine. I will be making create new. I will name it as computer in charge. Fine. I'm going to make a new signature and I'm going to create this. Now with the name computer in charge, what am I going? I am going to type regards, then enter it, then typing my name Shakti, computer in charge, and my school name, that is Vidya Bal Bhavan Senior Secondary. Let me put as capital secondary school. Now you can look here. I have written all the signature regards Shakti in charge, and find this. I can do more modification, but I don't need to do it. Fine. So at the last I will be going down. Now you can see save changes. Click on this. The changes has been made. Fine. Suppose if I need to compose anything, let me type, uh, let me see, look here. insert signature. I am going to click on this. I have got two signatures here, computer in charge and Shakti. Fine. So I am going to click on computer in charge. You can see regards Shakti, computer in charge, Vidya Bal Bhavan Senior Secondary. Fine. This way you can insert the signature inside your Gmail. Fine, kids. After this, now I am going to show you what all. Through inbox, inbox is the from where I have received, be it from Google, be it from Shakti Sharma or Kotak Bank, and this is the subject matter. Middle part is the subject matter and at what time I have received, and even I can see my yesterday emails also, which is on November 19. Okay, so when I click on this, I can see what email I have received. Fine. This way I can see my inbox. Now let me come to send items. Send items are those items which I have sent my emails. Fine, kids. I have sent to Vasundhara, VBBS, and many more things. Fine. Through this, I can send key what I have sent through emails. Now, even I can delete my emails also. So, suppose I need to delete this. Fine. So, what will I do? I will be, you can see from here, delete option. I am going to delete it. That has been deleted. And what it is saying, conversion mode to trash. Fine. So on to the trash, I am clicking on this. Will I see? Yes, this has been come. And you can retrieve the same email back also. How will you do it? You can just click on this and you can move to inbox or delete forever means when I click on this delete forever, I cannot recover my email what I have deleted. Now you can see this has already been deleted. Fine. But if I want to retrieve it, what will I do? I will click on this. Then I will be moved to where do I want to move this? I want to move into inbox. So this will be sent to the sorry sent to the my inbox. Fine. This way, I can retrieve my mails and I can use my Gmail account. I hope you all must be very well aware about how to use your Gmail account. And here again, I am showing you these all are the apps which we use through Google. These are Google Maps, YouTube, your Play Store, your Google Drive, your calendar, your photos, and many more apps. Fine. Okay, chats, even these are the Google Sheets, Google Document. Document means your Word document. Through Google Document, you can type Sheets. It's a sheet. You can use a classroom also, Blogger, and Keep. Fine. This way, you can use this account. But I have told you before, as you are small kids, after 16, you can access your Gmail account. So, I hope you all are well aware about your thing. And now, let me show you how to sign out. Look, when I click on to my profile picture, you can see the sign out here. Here you can click on it and it has sign out. Fine. Now it is saying that you need to sign in again. If I need to sign it, it's fine. Otherwise, I'll go on to continue and my everything has been email ID has been signed out. Fine. I hope you all must have learned very well. Bye. Take care.